Welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn plain vases into gorgeous vases so you can brighten up your home for the spring and the summer. These are super easy to make and very affordable. You can find all materials at the dollar store. If you like what you see, please like and share this video. Now let's get creating. For my first vase, I'm going to use a square glass vase, and for the second one, I will be using the cylinder vase. I'm going to use this yellow ribbon to decorate my square vase. I'm going to use hot glue to glue the ribbon all the way around the vase until it's completely covered with the ribbon. I'm going to be applying very small amounts of the hot glue so that the glue doesn't slide down the ribbon. But before doing anything, make sure you wash your vases with warm water and soap. The glue will stick better and will last longer. Look how cute this is looking already. Now I'm going to take one of these small paper flowers and I'm going to grab some of the leaves from this flower and I'm going to glue them together to the front of my vase. And for this I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. So pretty. Next, I'm going to take my floral foam and I'm going to cut it to fit my vase. Next, I'm going to take these pretty yellow flowers and I'm going to put them in the center of my vase. I'm just going to stick them right there in my foam and arrange them how I like them. Just like this. And now I'm going to add some of these other flowers just to cover the foam. I'm just gonna stick them right in there. And voila, look how gorgeous this looks. It looks so beautiful. You can put this anywhere in your home to add a pop of color. And for my second vase, I'm going to be using this cylinder vase and this glitter paper. This glitter paper comes 3 in a pack, yellow, orange, and pink, and you can get this at the Dollar Tree. But for this project, I'm going to be using the pink one. This is going to be very easy to do. Just separate the glitter paper from the back paper about 1 inch and fold the paper down. Then carefully glue the glitter paper to the vase without getting any wrinkles. Then continue peeling the back paper while smoothing the glitter paper to the vase. And as you continue smoothing the glitter paper on the vase, the back paper comes off by itself. Next, I'm going to make a few slits here on the top so that I can fold the excess glitter paper to the inside of my vase. Now I'm going to use my yellow ribbon and I'm going to wrap it around my vase twice and make a knot. You can add a dab of glue to keep the ribbon in place. Also leave enough ribbon hanging so that you can curl it. Then glue a small flower in the center of the ribbon. And voila, look how beautiful my vase looks now. Next, I'm going to take some of these acrylic gems and I'm just going to add some to my vase, and then I'm going to add these beautiful flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. These are artificial flowers, but you can use real flowers if you like. Amazing. This looks absolutely gorgeous. You can take any plain old looking vase and turn it into a gorgeous vase like this one, and you can customize it to your liking. Let me get the other one so you can see how they both look together. You can display them separately or you can display them together, however you like. Or you can take a wooden plaque like this one. I got it from Michael's. I painted it white and added gold diamond wrap around the edges. I can use it to display my vase like this, or put them both together and add some flowers for an extra touch. You can do whatever makes you happy. I'm just throwing some ideas on how to stage these vases, but the choice is yours. These vases are a great addition to your spring, summer home decor because they look absolutely gorgeous. You can put them anywhere in your home. All right, my friends, this is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.